Happen. You ready, baby?
Yeah, recording.
Up, eh?
It's hard to see in this.
Yeah.
So bright, eh?
Ah! Look at that.
Way to go, Nathan!
That fly's good.
You had your doubts. Psst. Oh, I lost it. Where is it?
Tell him it's how maneuverable it actually is. But...
There it is. It's hard to see in the...
Well, that's just too cool, Nathan. Made out of insulation, eh?
Oh, it flies nice. It sure does.
So where'd you get the pattern? You just made it up.
I just made it up.
Yeah.
I'm starting to get some practice building planes. Oh, she flies like a dream. Sure does. Stable.
Look at how calm it is. How perfect is this?
You couldn't have better day.
Calm.
No, it's ideal. Oh, I can float it half throttle. Look at that. That's really nice, son.
You're going to have the old guys all excited when you take that one to play.
I don't think this one's going to fly inside.
Too big?
Yeah.
It's smaller than those huge foamies
Yeah.
that they build.
Oh, I'm so happy.
Wow. Good job, hun.
Fly this well.
You were expecting to have to tweak it, weren't you?
Yeah.
What's your range on that?
It'll go until you can't see the plane anymore.
Oh,
That looks like you could just belly flop it down gentle.
Yeah. Into the wind it should.
Yeah. That really goes good.
Touch tail heavy.
you thought it was front heavy.
No, I actually thought it was right on the money.
Oh, okay.
But it's close, it makes no difference. Oh, here comes the wind.
So the wire hanging out to the aerial, is it?
Yeah.
Very impressive.
Yeah, you're dropping your throttle.
The throttle control isn't very smooth on this plane, it's a cheap plane. Look at it go! Are you taping this, baby?
Yep.
Sweet. I'm going to try for a landing.
Okay.
Heading for snow?
Yeah.
Perfect landing. Well, that was good.